How that a call?
Rasclat. Wicked man Chris. Walk one better.
My them turn best friend. My them turn best friend to blood clap. So I tell me say after the back call a girl. You me I say tell them cock up a girl dog. And have a girl a certain ways and so that you call man. You turn best friend the man fuck your girl. Blood clad. No dog Chris. Lose off for you Chris. Chris to lose off for you Chris. No Chris dog. Wicked man Chris.
New York in the devil weather. Yeah. Girl them feel up is the general there.
Yo, easy the Chris. Mad thing as usual.
Yeah.
Dropping at the place and rise up a new girl.
Yeah.
Boom! What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, aka the clash hype man. And we are back with another GOVANA, Humans and Monsters, CONVO reaction. I'm not like see the first one I'm do, I'm just start the reaction video. And people them around 1,000 views after they getting like one day. Some people they love it. Some people see what go on to GOVANA one man. Is me I say, I want to see if Keisha did it. You know what I mean? Get it to one of the pumps. Like the video. Wait, no, hold on. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you all are new on the road to 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for this year. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you don't like the video, just drop a like on the video. You know me I say? Drop a like. And just comment anything you want to comment. You see a comment over here, so right over here, so. Yeah. Big up your blood clip safe and forward.
Tired all Instagram or Twitter, you know, brother.
Yeah.
People are calling some
oh no, man, bring out the quarantine. My name Tims. My man name gloves and I text name gloves. I said no, sir, recently the video film, you know. Remember film? It's Jamaican in me. Film. 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 Me no know. But when tune here, man, we see what go on.
And them yeah. Joke thing.
How that?
Almighty, your next phone I ring, you know.
We you know? I didn't know this. I become alright, they come think I didn't know that. Come here, so I think I go on in them gloves and think, oh, I got dog. John, run it through then. Alright, so them bring back. So, I Dino I call governor this time and not governor I call Dino for. Well, other way around. You know what I mean? Run it through here, man. I chat too much.
How that a call?
Rasclat. Wicked man Chris. Walk one better.
My them turn best friend. My them turn best friend to blood clap. So I tell me say after the back call a girl. You me I say tell them cock up a girl dog. And have a girl a certain ways and so that you call man. You turn best friend the man fuck your girl. Blood clad. No dog Chris. Lose off for you Chris. Chris to lose off for you Chris. No Chris dog. Wicked man Chris.
New York in the devil weather. Yeah. Girl them feel up is the general there.
Yo, easy the Chris. Mad thing as usual.
Yeah.
Dropping at the place and rise up a new girl.
Yeah. New girl.
Clap. Think I was dropping up and up. No, I can't believe it now. But frightened you fuck. Oh, the man put on best friend. The man fuck. Yeah. I tell him deal with the girl. Oh, the put on best friend. No, man, Chris dog. I can't overstand dog. I don't know, boy. I don't know. Chris lose off for you, Chris. Chris lose off for you, dog. No.
Plural. No me no worry about Keisha them a loose girl. I find a girl who hotter.
Oh, you say she proper?
Sexy and fatter.
So, yeah.
Bomba the man said about Keisha a loose girl. Man said find a girl proper. The girl is sexy and hotter. Well, I'm happy for you, Chris. Because Keisha not give a bun till a week. Keisha not give a bun till a week. Me think me care now walk. I kind of ask me, I turn on the AC, you know me? But, John, no. And June.
You did me shatter.
Cool, look off because you know the girl them love chopper.
Yeah.
Guess who?
Who that?
Keisha friend Tasha.
Alright, Tasha with the bright eyes.
Yeah.
Small.
Bumbo clad. See what I go on now, though? That means I go on and knock Tasha now, no? Cause a Keisha friend Chris a link now. She said, hey, me can't ask a man to them. So if you talk to your ex-girlfriend friend, not even that alone too. Or a girl if you talk to her our friend X, all girl do them something there. All fall in love. Like the show I watch recently. All American. Right? Your best, you know some people watch All American, that's what I talk about it, because it's a trend on Netflix. But look at that. You ain't such girl a best friend. You go link such girl man. No. Run tune.
We stash her with the ass eye.
Yeah.
I got her up on her pumps with a butterfly.
Yeah man, a yellow butterfly with cassie eye. You know her.
So the blood clot. The man no must do her for man some put white tattoo upon her pumps. With the car see I. The man no must know her, Chris. Chris! I've sense that, Chris. The man no must know her, Chris. John, no man. Chris dog, me lose half of you no Chris dog. Me lose half of you no Chris dog. Bumbuckly Chris dog.
Man, me know what me don't know her so good.
Yeah.
Me know she born for so good.
Real thing.
Her tongue bore and she wear braces and have a little red fan.
Chris. The man say him no know her, but you don't know her so good. But him know she born for so good. Chris. Hope now wife that one or two like the wife Keisha and Chris. Hope you learn something more go on in a Convo part 1 no Chris. Because right now, Chris, your head not good. Chris, you need help. You need bumbuckly help, Chris. Alright?
But the tire them not good.
No man, me buy her a market, but the press. Me a 10 grand US, me send her, nothing less. She a virgin, so you know.
Rascal! Virgin? You eat that? You eat that? But what like the dog? Governor said so a while ago, me blood clean to send her 10 grand US. The brother you mad, me tell you, Chris, I will lose half of you, Chris. Chris, you lose half of you, Chris. You met girl tell us she a virgin, Chris. And after bad boy governor make you know say, yo, she have a tattoo on the palms, dog. Chris, you got problems. Bumbuckly.
There's something blessed.
Virgin.
Yeah man, and me first touch your breast. Oh, you know she's so good.
God, bumbuckly. Man say him first touch your breast. The governor says so. Virgin? Yo, dog. That's how you... We can't laugh, dog, Chris. You're a big mad man, Chris. You're a big mad boy. A big way to say somebody can get. Very tune.
Just a lucky guess. Little advice though, don't suck your breast.
Alright DJ, I'm gonna take your advice.
Chris.
Really lose half of you, Chris, dog. But a big man lose half of you. I'm turn up on my AC, that because Chris! Man say my first man touch your breast, dog. No, I can't believe it, dog. Yo, for the angelic reaction, people want to like the video, leave a like on the video if you never like the video already. You did me and drop something in the comment section. Drop something in the comment section, yeah, man. Because Chris a mad man, yeah, man.
Members them get a wicked and lie.
The one that different man, me really just sorry.
Suppose me tell us and me did fuck up. Yeah.
Boy, oh boy, Chris, I don't see them get a wicked and lie. No man, that one a different, me really trust her. Suppose the man tell you him did fuck. Me lose half a Chris on a big man next dog.
You know what? Fuck that, me don't chat. Last time I tell about Keisha, them say me love chat. When the girl them give you some, don't tell.
Oh, buckler, hear me, governor. Different flow. Me say thing me tell him a while ago, him switch it up, man. Him switch it up. Me rate it now, him switch it up. You know make him know. Say him knock the works already. You know make him know say him do the works already. You see me, you just hold it back. I rate it. Run through.
Body hotel. Don't show nobody what you buy for her. Don't tell nobody where the rose sell.
See him, sir.
What
am I going to do? I'm going to beat up Bumbuckler Tasha now. I say, Tasha, you know governor? Tasha, you are really virgin? Tasha, you governor? Tasha, I think what I do, I can take off my shirt and everything, you know. Something I'm going to go on. I can see what I'm going on. I can see if Tasha in the video to like how Keisha in the video.
Tell me no fuck it, me I bring it to the grave. See me pan video, I work it like slave. Me I tell you how no me I bring it to the grave.
Bumbuckler, you mean? Don't worry, you see me? Let's so I told her that because she said whatever govy, the word govy, because when man not say that, you know, woman them alone call govy that, you know. So the word govy, you chat too much and the video did done. So the governor say me take him own advice from the last time. You did me I say? And say, no, so I'm not going to say that, right? I'm not going to make him know so I'm not him, girl. I bring it to the grave. But if I video and knock it, I know me. Isn't it? Run it tune.
Almighty, Wagwan. No Chris again. Chris again. This again. You're the man. Miss again. Open I made sense for fire stick again.
That boy I love push back this, you see, brother. Yo, what you want? Yo, you man ask the dog say. the last one, I'm saying about Chris. I'm saying for Chris that he that boy answer the girl phone for something like that. Oh, John was that. I rate it. I want to think for real. I want to think about the song overall. I think, I know. And again, people. So I'm going to drop a review real quicker. Because I'm looking at the song dropping now. Boom, Instagram, brother, them roll out. Alright, I'm soon drop it, dog. They are work, dog, you know me? But you don't know, so I'm telling you already. Right now, I YouTube make pre-dep and so get me to 10k subscribers now, man. I want you to subscribe, man. Run through though.
Bring for my fuck. Which one of them, the slimmers?
No, man, the thicker friend.
Yo, me just up on the gram and run through a picture of them.
Then the Chris a wipe it up.
How this happen?
Move.
Boy, so my boy turn artist too. I know him for artist, but I know too. Me get stressed out now, dog. Like Chris have major problems. Chris needs help. Chris needs to go counseling. Chris needs to go, H&M class, human resource man. Go on to H&M, dog. Because right now, I know what can help you. Or you go find, brother, you need some kind of counseling though, Chris, dog. I'm not lying.
Mates, me don't even know a dog. Big drama. Feel me, I go tell him though when the thing calm.
You mad remember when they tell him about Keisha? And the whole way around killer say you're informer.
And that's why I make a part 2, no? Because the whole girl now say Chris is informer, go over your informer, you should tell the man say fucking girl, no? The whole world I tell you, everybody in the comment section say it for real, you know? Me if you say that's why I do a part few, you know, because I know say you never have a part few in mind. Me know you never have a part few in mind. Don't tell me, is that my or not on my line or not, or is that my line? No. Run tune.
Be about a years, girl, the man choose so far.
Him still up on the phone?
Yeah, man, but mute the car.
They can't mute, you try style, man, but the thing feel.
I know you want me to talk, Chris.
Hey, Chris, I can't come big girl too. Where's the man conversation for? I come to Bumbo Class for the man I don't chat to you a long time. And you call yourself because them problems are right now, dog. Why your wife them girl left for, brother? Girl in the same group too. If you don't say if you woman left, woman not govy. Oh, you say a friend gonna not govy too. Have 3 or 4 or 5
Chris Gayle when the girl them give you some downtown. Downtown about the body hot time.
Ah! Chris Gayle my top boy. I can't bother with that song, dog. I don't think that. I can't bother with it, dog. But the one is did this match up to part 1 or the first one, I should say? Did it match up? See me I say. Which one better? This or well, the first one I got was better, but did it meet up to the standards?
Don't show nobody what you buy for her. You tell your hand on me, I bring it to the girl.
Remember the girls class thing? Yes! Can't watch her. Me have 2 dogs from England. We are going through the same thing. Yeah, man, me have a friend. We have a friend and girl like him born with a friend. And even, not even say 40. Kuya!
Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, that's not hold my father, yeah? My G. Oh, I'm going flat to mug.
Babe, Tasha is coming over later. What do you think?
You see, yo, you're a gallus.
Which part?
Man as a gallus. You grow as a gallus.
Which part?
You live as a gallus.
Where?
Deadly. Kuya!
Idiot. Man have Keisha, you not done in the house and Tasha come over, come bust a bad 2 so. 3 so. Yo, big up on yourself. Subscribe to the channel for the new, like the video for the new. You see me, so drop something in the comment section. Be spinning boy tight. I'm out.